Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair has fallen 0.2% in the last session. The MACD has plunged into negative territory. Bitcoin has remained as is in the last session. The ROC transitioned sharply into the negative area. The price of gold has gained 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator has bounced upwards into the negative zone. The price of crude oil has fallen 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI plunged into the negative area.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
World stocks were battling to avoid a second day of declines, as hints of rising inflation led by a one-year high in oil prices and the strongest copper prices in nearly a decade kept traders in check. BlackRock, with $7.8 trillion under management, is the latest institutional financial player entering the crypto space. Weakness in both the dollar and euro is posing a dilemma for investors about which is the best source of funding for emerging market trades.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions will be released at 2030 GMT. The U.S. Market Manufacturing PMI at 1445 GMT. The U.S. Market Services PMI at 1445 GMT. Germany's Producer Price Index will be released at 700 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 030 GMT. The UK's Market Services PMI at 930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.